If you're a computer science or a technology major and you're thinking about what courses to select as part of your semester and your degree, here's a really quick tip that can be helpful when you're trying to get the best out of the courses that you're taking. I would recommend taking at least 1 to 2 courses that cover a diverse number of programming languages or topics in a single course. It's going to be a whirlwind tour, but you're going to get the most out of microdosing those specific technologies. Here's a couple of examples. One kind of course may be covering a bunch of different programming languages at all in one during the course. For example, Python, PHP, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, C++, and so many more languages. In this sense, you're actually getting to try and test the different types of programming languages, and eventually you'll determine which programming language you kind of have an affinity for or want to explore further and be able to dive into that in depth. You can also take a course that's specialized in a particular topic, but also is covering diverse sets of themes. For example, consider a specialized Python course, right? As part of that, you might talk about everything from generating efficient Python code and writing clean code to using a lot of packages like Flask or potentially schedulers like Dask or Luigi, and even being able to interface with databases and use libraries like SciPy and others. So there's a lots of different technologies and programming languages you can cover. Definitely aim to have 1 to 2 of these courses as part of your toolkit so that you can add to your skill set. Hope this helps and thanks.